In this project, we've looked at how to deal with organics in a landscape. We started out with a simple terrain, and we've taken what could be just a simple square and put some hills in. We've also added in a library of plants, well, actually just a few plants, but looked at ways to not only vary their size and location, but their scale. And we've learned to use some very sophisticated tools in here under Object Paint, where we've gone in and chosen not just one but three plants, randomized them, painted them around, and sculpted in this jungle. Finally, we've looked at how to light not just with a daylight system, but to add in bounce lights, learning how we need to help it along a little bit to get the look we want. We're using some sophisticated materials, our subsurface scatter materials, so the leaves glow a little bit when they're backlit by the sun. And finally, we've gone into camera work, looked at our cinematography, and in these cameras, how to move through this jungle. We're ready to run through the jungle and also deal with the background and post effects and compositing. Finally, we've looked at how to work in a game workflow. Not that these objects are especially low polygon per se, but that these reuse the same texture space. And this is an important idea. This way the model is versatile, usable for both animation and game if it's well crafted, and reusing a texture is a big start in that, rather than having unique textures for every object. So, get out there and make yourself a jungle. Use the object paint and the paint deformation to make terrain and populate it with plants. Learn how to backlight those leaves and really use that daylight system, pushing it around so it's lighting where you want. So when you walk through the jungle, you can almost feel the mist and feel the warmth of the sun on your back.